Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from the Winter Forest. Today let's continue our leetcode question. Today's question is called the angle between hands of a clock. So you will given two numbers, hour and minutes. Return the smaller angle in degree formed between hour and minutes hand. Here the given example. So if you receive hours 12 and minutes 30, so the expected output is 165. Look here, you have a 3 hour and 30. The expected output is 75. In here, you could obviously see this angle is much small. Another angle is 3060 degree minus 75, but it's bigger, so we return the smaller one. Now just let's calculate how we do hours and minutes degree. So if we receive hours like 7 hour and 30 degree, so that for the hours angle, actually you have a 36 degree for a circle and only have a 12 hours. So each hours represent actually is 30 degree. And so if we have a 3, we're going to use 3 times 30 degrees the hours angle. But the hours still have the minutes, so you need to add this 30 minutes, the hours are going to move. And for the minutes angle, it actually it is so each hour we know is separated to 5. So 30 divided 5, it actually 6 degree. And for the offset minutes, it is if you have a 30 degree, now this hour, it is the hours angle, and I need to add some offset. We do it after. So it have the minutes. It actually it is minutes is if like the 30 minutes in here, the minutes, and times 6 degree, it is the minutes degree. 180 degree. But for the hours we haven't finished yet. So for the hours we need to see how many minutes move. The minutes move, and we also have the hours slightly moved. So this offset action is the minutes. Like for this example is 30. We're going to divide 60, and we change this to a double. 30 degree divides the 6 because the minutes need to change how many hours, and then each hour, this is a fraction, this hour represent how many offset this degree times 30. Then we use the then we just use the method and apps, so you find the hours and minus the means angle, and this and the result you need to compare in case you get the bigger one. So one is this result, one is the 36 degree result minus this result. Then take the method mean, take the small one. And this is quite a very simple question. I have been asked in an interview. Quite very easy to achieve. And now just write the code, it actually just makes sense. So we're going to have the minutes angle. The minutes angle is very easy. Like we know each minute represent it actually is 6 degree, and now we're going to calculate the hours angle. The hours angle slightly different, so we're going to have these hours. We're going to model 12, and then we're going to times 30. Now we have the offset. We see have how many hours. The offset is use the minutes to calculate. So it actually is MI divide 60. And you need to change this will be digit, and you need to change this to a double. Hours. Multiply, divide times 30. Add this offset. This offset is minutes. And now you have the fraction of this hour minutes left. So you go into times 30. Actually, could this one after you actually just simply like because you could, but you see this one actually just simply you could do minutes divided 2.0. This is exactly the same code for this one. So you understand it because you divide 60 then times 30. You actually is divide 2.0, so I also don't need a calculator cast back to a double. Since we already have the hours uncle and also minutes uncle, now we just going to double return the result. Minus minutes uncle. And we need a return and the smallest one, so we just use master the mean. Either is this one or is 36 minus this one. Now quite a very simple question. Just let them run the code, see if I have any syntax issue. Yeah, it finished it. And now we're going to submit it. It accepted. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.